Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will take you on one of the most beautiful and challenging cycling routes in Taiwan, the legendary Xueba ride through Taipingshan. If you love mountains, misty forests, and the epic sense of freedom, this is the ride you don't want to miss. We started early in the morning, riding through the breathtaking landscape of Taipingshan National Forest. The air is cool, the road is quiet, and you are literally riding through the clouds. Climbing here isn't easy, it's long, steep, and sometimes endless. But every turn reward you will insane views and that peaceful vibe only the mountains can give. This ride is part of the Xueba series, a famous endurance cycling challenge in Taiwan. It's not just a test of your legs, it's about mid-setting walk and push your limits. You meet incredible riders along the way, share snacks, share struggles, and those final kilometers, they are brutal, but they also bound us together like family. There's something magical about climbing in silence. Here, feeling only your breath and the wind through the trees. This ride reminded me why I fall in love with cycling. It's not about speed, it's about going deep, letting go of everything else, and being fully present. It's the kind of ride that stays with you long after you reach the top. If you are ever in Taiwan, do this ride. Train for it. Prepare well and you will remember it forever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if this inspires you to take on your next big climb. I will see you in this next ride. Stay strong and ride safe. Bye bye.